What's up, everyone? And some of you already know it's the sky in the ceiling. How you feeling? So I'm going to show you how I made over $1,000 before lunch on May 14th, 2021. Let's jump into it. So the strategy or the technique that I use is a two-legged pullback. For example, the leg starts right here. You have the kneecap of the leg because it's going down. So you got the calf muscles and you got the foot. And what you want to do is on the next short-term trend, you want to get in once it breaks the kneecap of the previous leg. Hence, two-legged pullback, because it pulled back, and then you want to get in as the new leg is forming and as it breaks. Also, the leg has to be in favor of the trend. So, in other words, the trend is bullish right now because it's going up. My ATR trailing stop is green, and also the candles are trending above my short-term moving average line. This is my 8-day exponential moving average line. So I decided to get in on this candle right here. So you have this leg, and then of course you have the kneecap because it was able to form as it pulled back. Once it started going back up, that's when I got prepared. And once this candle broke the kneecap of the previous leg, that's when I got in. So let's go ahead and hit play. Let's just see how this plays out. Okay, so I'm just waiting for it to show strength, and I go ahead and jump into the trade. Again, you want to keep a sharp eye on the candle. You want to keep a sharp eye on your P&L. And you want to keep a sharp eye on the seconds. So I'm taking a look at the candle, and I'm taking a look at the profits. And I do see that there's less than 30 seconds left on this candle. So again, I'm keeping a sharp eye on the candle. I'm keeping a sharp eye on the profits. Okay, now I see we have less than 15 seconds left on this candle. So now I'm thinking about getting out. But again, I'm just going to see if it's going to top out because I really want this candle to top out before I get out. And I see that the candle is basically over, and here comes the new candle. So I went ahead and exit the trade by clicking on sell market. So let me go ahead and just pause the video. And let's rewind the video a teeny bit. There we go. All right. So as I said before, and what I like to call this technique or strategy is I like to call it scalping beast mode candles. Because basically these are strong candles that you can make a lot of money on over and over. So as I stated before, once the candle topped out and I saw the new candle form, I knew it was time to get out the trade. Now, when you take a look at the profits, I made $617 just on this one candle. So let's go ahead and hit play so we can just go ahead and jump into the second trade. All right, so now on the second trade, I was able to make money on Tesla as it was going down. So the entry on this particular strategy is I waited for the ATR trailing stop to turn red. That's confirmation that we are now in a downtrend, a bearish trend. Now I need to wait for my short-term moving average line to cross over the blue long-term moving average line. Once the short-term moving average line officially and completely cross over and the candle shows strength, I am in that trade because again, that is guaranteed money. So let's go ahead and hit play and let's watch the money grow. Okay, wait for it. And this is a put option, by the way. Okay, so it did exactly what I wanted it to do. We're in the trade. So again, you want to keep a sharp eye on the candle. You want to keep a sharp eye on your profits. And you want to keep a sharp eye on the seconds. So it looks like this candle is basically bottoming. It's going to bottom out. And I just want it to bottom out just a little bit more before I get out the trade. Wait for it. Booyah! All right, I am officially out of the trade. As you can see, the profits are $1,121. That happened at 11:02 a.m. before lunch. And just to recap the trade real quick, Again, I wanted to make sure those lines completely crossed, and the candle shows strength. It did just that, and that's why I was able to get in the trade. And again, I was able to scalp this beast mode candle and capitalize on the movement. So that ended my work day at 11:02 before lunch. And with all of that said, peace, love, happiness, and Alpha Lion 1 signing out.